Okay. All right, Manya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can hear me? You can hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Super Hoopers show by Hoopsters, the League of Action Heroes. This is a program where we talk to children who have been taking up different initiatives to contribute to their society in their own different way. We acknowledge every act that is thoughtful, that could be as simple as helping out parents at home, or taking up social initiatives, or doing things like the way our guest today, Manya Nayak, has been doing. Hi, Manya, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Manya, tell us about your school and how old you are.
Ma'am, I am 15 years old. My school is Kumaduti Residential Central School, which is in Shikaripura, Shimoga district.
Okay. Okay, Manya. So, from what I hear, you are in the NCC.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us what NCC is? Why I'm asking this, many people don't even know that there is something called NCC. Okay, can you tell us a little bit about NCC, how it works, what you guys do at NCC?
NCC, the meaning is National Cadet Corps, and
Mm-hmm.
which helps us in being disciplined, punctuality. It teaches us how to be hygiene and
Mm-hmm.
lot more training they will give by camping and trucking
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay. Okay. Manya, do you have any rank or something in this one? Are you like captain, or is there any such rank that you hold?
I just have A certificate now.
You have an A certificate. So, what does A certificate mean? What does that make you?
It is when we go to some camp, ATC camp, annual training camp. If we done
Mm-hmm.
that, we get A certificate.
Okay. How long have you been in NCC?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. Tell us your favorite thing about NCC.
Favorite thing they will teach us how to use rifles.
Sorry, can you come again?
Rifles. They will teach how to use rifles.
Oh, you know how to use rifles.
Yes, ma'am.
What rifle do you use? Do you know what rifle you're using?
They
No?
will just teach us.
How to fire it and everything. Hmm? So tell us, take us through one day of your NCC camp. What all do you do in an NCC camp? Like you have your annual training camp. So how does one day look?
They will teach us drill
Hmm?
and they will teach us how to be disciplined
Mm-hmm.
and different activities, theory
Okay.
classes,
Okay.
and,
All
training.
right. Manya, what we are here to talk about, I don't know if you know about Super Hoopers, okay? In Super Hoopers, what we do is we look at kids like you, okay? Now, I know that you're taking a lot of initiative around your town, okay? You have started cleanup drives, you started plantation drives. So, Super Hooper basically is to talk about kids like you so that other children who see it, they'll also want to do something like that. Do you think that's a good idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Would you like to be somebody who motivates your friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So keeping that, tell us about what all you do. Tell us about the plantation drive. Tell us about your cleanup drive. What have you been doing?
I done the Swachhata Pakwada activity, which is under NCC. It
Mm-hmm.
uh, it tells it awares about people to keep our surroundings clean, and we all know that cleanliness is next to the godliness,
Okay.
and we know that dirty surroundings can lead to many diseases like
Mm-hmm.
malaria and COVID
Okay.
19 also, which we are suffering now.
Mm-hmm.
And by keeping our surroundings clean, will help us in betterment of society.
Okay. So how do you do this, Manya? Do you have anybody helping you, or do you just go alone and clean up whatever area? How do you plan this? Tell us how you plan to do this cleanup drive.
Ma'am, by my ANO Prabhu sir.
Okay. Tell us some more. Tell us how you do it. Like, I go to this place, then I figure out what place to clean. Give us some more details.
Like historical places, temples, and campus, and also home, parks.
Even your home, your own home, meaning outside your home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what all do you do when you do this cleanup? Do you sweep out all the dirt? Do you do any particular things? What all do you do?
Sweep, ma'am.
You sweep everything, and then what? Then where do you put all the dirt?
We'll put in the dustbin in one place.
Okay. Has anybody ever given you a compliment saying you're doing a very good job? Has somebody seen what you're doing and said thank you for cleaning our city? Any such incident that you can remember?
It's just parents,
Your
friends.
parents. Okay. And when you go and do these activities, how do your parents react? Are your parents supportive? Do they help? Do they say, go ahead, do it? Good
Yes,
job.
ma'am.
They do. Do you feel like it's difficult to manage this NCC, your studies and everything?
No, ma'am. Not like.
No? How come?
No.
How do you plan your day? Do you plan your day very well? How do you do it?
NCC, they will only be two days in a week,
Okay.
and other days
So
will
2 days a
study.
week? Acha. So 2 days a week you go out and you do all your activities. Yeah. So tell me what other things are your colleagues or your friends in your NCC camp doing? What else do they teach you to do? Like these kind of activities.
They will teach cleaning activities and other activities like going to historical places.
Going to
They
do you
will
like
also they are also doing this, ma'am.
okay. Does your school also support you in this? How does your school help you with these activities?
Ma'am, I thank them because they initiated this. The management bring the NCC in our school,
Hmm?
and I thank for giving me this opportunity.
Okay. So now, Manya, tell me, we had lockdown, we had everything, no? How did you continue to do your NCC drills? How did you continue to keep up your NCC practice? Were you able to do it during the lockdown, or are you able to do it now
In our campus,
within your campus? You still
yes.
have these activities going on,
No, ma'am, they are not doing now.
huh? So then,
Now
what do you do? How do you still practice on your own? How does it work? How do you stay in touch with your teammates and all of that?
we are not.
You're not in touch with them. Do you miss the camps
Yes, ma'am, so much.
so much? You miss them so much. Why do you miss it so much?
Because we enjoyed a lot in a camp. We have learnt a lot.
But you okay? Normally, when I think of NCC camp, I imagine that it's very strict. Is it very strict?
Yes, ma'am. As I am a junior, they will not be much strict for us.
Sorry, can you say that again? Because I think we had some issue with the connection. Say it again.
As I am a junior, they will not much strict for us, but as a senior, they will be strict so much.
Okay. So you watch your seniors. They're very strict with your seniors. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manya, tell me one thing. How will you see? You're an NCC, so they teach you all of this. Okay. How do you how do you as a friend or as a classmate motivate other students in your class to do these kind of activities? Because it's not just the NCC people have to do it, right? The rest of us also need to take up some initiatives. So how do you motivate them?
Ma'am, I motivate them by saying that we should do activities like cleaning. We should keep our home clean and rivers clean, and we should plant a trees.
Mm-hmm.
And
So you tell them you have to do this, you have to do that. You tell them what needs to be done, and do they listen to you?
Yes, ma'am.
They listen to you.
Sometimes. Ma'am, my
Some,
friends will listen, ma'am.
your friends listen to you. So tell us some things that you have done along with your friends outside NCC. Have you also done anything outside NCC like this, like planting trees or collecting funds?
Not collected funds, ma'am, but planted trees.
You planted trees along with your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to go to something which is happening right now, which is school during the pandemic. Is your school a hostel? Do you stay within the school campus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and have you been allowed to go back home because of the pandemic, or do you still stay in the hostel?
No, ma'am, I'm not hostel and I'm day scholar, ma'am.
You're a day scholar. Okay. So now there were no classes, no? You can't go to school anymore. You can't go to regular classes. So tell us about how the current classrooms are. How is it going on? How are you learning?
Ma'am, online class.
And are online classes easy, or are they harder than regular
They're
school?
harder, ma'am.
They're harder. Why are they harder?
Ma'am, because they can't teach us, and the network issues will be there sometimes.
Uh-huh.
And they can't use by board.
Okay. And is there any good thing about online class? Is there anything that you think, this is nice? I like this about online classes.
And we get more time to study.
You get more time to study. All right. Manya, any exams coming up?
Board exam, ma'am, 10th.
10th board exam. When are they?
Not
When are your
yet.
exams? No idea yet. You still don't know when your exams are. Is that scary for you?
Yes,
Because you
ma'am.
don't know when the exams are. Suddenly they say next month exam, then what are you going to do? How are you preparing yourselves?
Ma'am, nice.
Preparing well? You're studying well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you want the exams to be delayed, or do you want to finish it fast?
Want to in next 3 months.
Next 3 months you want to finish it. So did you have, this was your 10th standard board exam for next year, or did you have to wait this whole year to write your exam?
Not 10.
No,
Oh, no, ma'am.
you're only right now you're going to write your board exams. Okay. So what are you afraid of in the board exams? Are you scared? Are you excited to write the exams?
I'm scared, ma'am.
You're scared. Why are you scared? You said you're preparing well.
Yes, ma'am, but not. It's online now, ma'am.
Your exams are online, so you're afraid. Fair enough. So Manya, what do you plan to do after 10th standard? Do you have any plans? Do you know what you want to study?
No, ma'am.
Not yet. And will you continue? Now that you're in 10th standard, this is your last year in NCC.
We can continue in PUC, ma'am.
Do you plan to continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Plan to continue. All right, Manya. So there's something that I want to ask you. And tell me, one last thing that I wanted to ask you was, would you be interested in writing about what you're doing, putting it up on our website? Is there something that interests you?
Can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Would you like whatever initiatives you've taken up, okay, like your plantation drive or your cleanup drive? Would you be interested to write about it and send it to us on Hoopsters so we can put it up on our website?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you'll do that for us?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much, Manya. What I will do is I will send your principal the video once it is ready. Okay, once it is ready, you can also take a look. You can show it to your friends. You can show it to everybody around you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. You look very smart in your uniform.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, Manya. Thank you everyone for watching. If you know of any such children who are taking up initiatives, who are very helpful around the house, please do write to us. We are www.hoopsters.in. Hoopsters.in, that's our website. You can go to the Super Hooper contest and submit whatever entries you want, and the best kids will be selected for interviews like this. So don't forget to log on, and thank you all for watching. Thanks, Manya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.